Presently, I'm standing here right now. You're so demanding. Tell me what you want from me. Concentrating on my music, lover, and my babies. Tell me when I ask the lady for a ticket out of town. I just want a ticket out of town to look around and say, down. Oh, oh. I just want a chance to fly, a chance to ride in a long ride. Oh, 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 die. I just wanna take it out of town, look around and say down. Oh, oh. I just want a chance to fly, a chance to ride in a long ride. I just wanna take it out of town, look around and say down. Oh, oh. I just want a chance to fly, a chance to ride in a long ride. Oh, 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 die. Presently, I'm standing here right now. You're so demanding. Tell me what you want from me. Concentrating on my music, lover, and my babies. Tell me when I ask the lady for a ticket out of town. I just want a ticket out of town to look around and say down.
Hey guys, my name is Batle Dlamini and welcome to the episode. Today we had a lookbook and this was a recommendation from you guys, so I thought let's record it for the summer. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and got a sense of my personal style. It is something that has been quite prevalent in the previous videos and vlogs that I put through, so I really hope that you're able to see how I put together my outfits and basically my personal style coming out of it. I'd really describe my style as quite simple, classic, if you might, chic. I don't like to be uncomfortable, so I always want to be comfortable as much as possible. I know that there are outfits and events where you really have to go all out, and usually that's not the most comfortable look to be in, but on my day-to-day, when I'm going to work, when I'm going out, I really want to be comfortable but also feel confident. I don't want to walk around pulling a dress down. I don't want to, be pulling a top down and all my underwear showing. It's not something that I really enjoy, so I try to think about those things when I go shopping and just pick out pieces that will make me comfortable. I also like to think that my style is able to transcend seasons and also transcend years. I like to pick out pieces because we're not shopping every other day, so I like to keep pieces that I can use in this year, use in another year, and also rotate within my closet with other items that I have. So it needs to be versatile, it needs to be wearable with a lot of things. So I think it does sometimes gravitate towards a capsule wardrobe where I'm able to just mix and match my clothing items in that way. I really do enjoy fashion. I really enjoy putting myself together, basically the full look. It's not just going to be the clothes, but basically my hair, does it go, the jewelry. I'm not much of a jewelry girl, or even shoes or accessories like that. Something that's, I don't know why, but every time I go shopping I forget that you have to wear shoes with the clothes that you wear. So I always find it difficult to find the appropriate shoe that will go with the outfit that I've just bought. But it's something that I'm trying to just remember, that I need shoes. That's always an issue for me. But yeah, I really enjoy, you know, making myself look good. I think it makes a good impression to other people. It makes me feel good, and it's just an expression, personal expression, and I think it's a nice identifier also for people. I do remember, actually, I'm thinking now, in my previous role, one of the journey leads, he was well dressed consistently, and mind you, we did not work from the office, so we on video most of the time, and every time it's like, he is so well dressed. I was like, good for you to like, and you can see that it's in him. He's not putting on a show. It's his style, and I will remember him for that. Always remember him for that. So I think for myself, I enjoy it. It's something that brings me joy to put a look together. So I really hope that you guys were able to see the identifiers in my style. So please do let me know if there are any outfits that stuck out for you, something that you'd like to use as inspiration for your outfits. It's outfits that I typically wear to the office and sometimes going out. The vibe is quite flexible. We can wear sneakers, heels, whatever you're comfortable in. So I dabble into the different types of styles that I can wear, but as long as I'm comfortable, that is the goal. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to let me know which outfit stood out for you, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.